this series or even this conference just stamped the class of Coach Xian Giao as probably one of the best coaches in the league. And it's also nice to survive a typhoon named Cyrus, and a very versatile player in Valenzuela. I've been having nightmares, and I'm just so happy that the Red Bull series is all over. But of course, our goal is ultimately win it all, and we're definitely be preparing hard against Santa Lucia. When it comes to the final series, you throw away all the win-loss record. We're starting from scratch. It's the same win-loss record that we've had against Red Bull. We did not beat them in the elimination round. I think the important thing for us is just focus on game one and take it one game at a time. But it's such a great joy on the 20th year of the Pure Foods franchise to make it for the 12th time in the last 20 years in the All-Filipino lineup. It's really a great tradition that we're trying to prolong, and hopefully we can win it all by the grace of God. But it is nice. It was part of my pregame earlier, the tradition that we're trying to uphold, the Pure Foods tradition in particular, that we're one of the best teams in the All-Filipino Conference, and we have a chance once again to prove it to everyone. I can sometimes, when I was looking at him, sometimes I can see the excitement which I had when I was starting to be a coach, the gung-ho attitude and the never say die spirit. And he's coaching so loosely, he's enjoying it. And ang nangyari nga lang ngayon, konting segue lang, my players just showed great resolve to find ways to win. So in the end, in a game 7 like this, I was just an avid part of the audience, trying to look at how my players will will their way to victory, because Coach Xian Giao is such a hard coach to go up against. And with Coach Boyet Fernandez surviving the Alaska series, and Coach Tincon, the work is just beginning for us. And I just hope my players are not happy just to be in the finals, because we've made a decision that from the pre-tournament up to the end, our goal is to be number 1. And I think the more important thing is we are right on track. That's the hardest part in even the Red Bull series. We knew all along that we were the favored ones. Many people expected us to win, but it's not as easy as how it looked like. We were dragged up to Game 7. There were pronouncements like Red Bull has the advantage if it goes to Game 7. And I think it showed. We were all cramping up, Ping, JD, Kirby, because of the long minutes that they played. But once again, pagdating kasi sa finals, just to be there and get invited, talagang mawawala lahat ng sakit, at ang focus mo na lang is 4 wins. Kaya we will be coming in really, really fresh going to Game 1. So we're playing on Friday? Yes. Oh, definitely. Definitely. So that's a huge blessing for us, not just for Pure Foods, but also for Santa Lucia. And we're going to brace ourselves for a real war against a really tough team in Santa Lucia. It was not an easy, the 2 wins that we've had against them were not easy at all. In fact, we've climbed back from big margins. So we're not coming in as the heavy favorites. Remember, we ended the elimination round both with 12 wins and 6 losses. They're carrying the conference record with 8 straight wins, eclipsing our 7 straight wins. So I don't know who's giving us pressure right now, but the way I look at things, it's going to be dead even. If there are 2 teams which adapted extremely well with the change of, or the adjustment of rules, these are Red Bull and Santa Lucia. So I'll be visiting definitely the office just to make sure what are the allowable things to do on defense, because they really get away with a lot of touches and a lot of plays bordering on really getting physical and physical na lang. There are three things. At the start of the conference, there are three things that we wanted to make sure that we're going to be a part of. Number one, we started out really strong in the pre-tournament, yung pre-season tournament. In fact, we ended up number one. So sa amin is, parang yung sa tennis na the longest time that we are at number one, and I'm sure you have that statistics. We have not relinquished the number one spot yet. So that's number one for us. Number two, I mentioned it earlier during my pregame, the chance to tie Chris Paredmanizers with 5 championship trophies, that will probably be a great goal for us as well. And lastly, we're celebrating our 20th year, and hopefully with a bang. And I've mentioned this also, this might be my fourth, but I don't know if it's just sheer coincidence, but we have made it a tradition that we wear the number 33 on our chests, just for us to remember the sacrifices and the inspiration that Eugene Tejada still brings to us. And by coincidence, this is the 33rd year of the PBA, and that gives us more reason to go 33 with 33.